We start off in Mackay in Queensland, where we visit the Araluen Cascades Waterfall, where we go for a dip. We then head for the fantastic Airlie Beach area before it's on to Bowen, then Townsville. We end this episode on beautiful Magnetic Island. Just passing through. Here we are at Finchatan Gorge, and we're off to the roughly 1.5 kilometre walk to the Araluen Cascades. It should take about 30 minutes each way, with what's meant to be a decent swimming hole at the end. Very cold.
Gone paddling over all that rock. Yeah. Oh. That's cold. Woo-hoo. Well done.
It looks like it's round, right?
Yeah. Like a platypus.
I went under. It's pushing me under.
Woo! That's over there though, see?
If my highs are highs, my lows are low. Need to blow off some steam to get back up. I'm not someone you should cheat on, 'cause when I come back strong. Raise your glass to the sky. Let's toast to that. All these people can stay.
quite exy, the food. Royce has just gone up to get us a beer, so we'll see how expensive that is. Here he comes with my beer. Such a beautiful view. Still very hot.
Oh, here we go. I was going to get some beers, but we've got some coasters.
Got some coasters.
Hey!
Got us beers. I said we're here at the pub, and it's at Airlie Beach. Quite easy.
How much for a beer, you reckon?
And that's what I said. I said we'll find out how much a beer was.
Well, here these are called Whitefish, which is basically a Great Northern original beer, because the fish is white on the tap. $11 a beer for a schooner. I hate to think how much a pint was.
Dad would be turning in his grave.
Oh. I reckon you'd only have 10. That's it. I'm only having 10.
Well, cheers.
Cheers. Have a look at the view, will you?
The view is beautiful.
Who put us onto this?
Sky.
Sky. Thanks, Sky.
Put us onto this.
Yes.
She's got more money than me.
Yeah. We're the Millers.
Yeah. Better start stripping. More up. So we've left Airlie Beach and we're on our way to Bowen, and it's going to be another hot day, isn't it?
Yeah. Approximately an hour's trip, that's all.
Yeah.
So not too bad.
No, it's very good.
But it's hot. It's bloody hot. Humid.
Humid, yeah.
Yeah. Alright.
All the way, get to that dot.
Ooh.
We don't want to be doing this on the spot.
Oh, no. Mother better look out.
Mother knows best.
Yeah, right. this is the official one.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising. I'm ready, people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down,
See you,
down.
Snake.
I've been down, so down, and now I'm done. I'm aiming for the sky. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm aiming for the sky. Everyone got stories, so let's start listening. Let the rain wash away the tears that keeps crippling. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising. I'm ready, people.
Here we are in Townsville at the Turtle Bridge. I guess you'll see why it's called that, because look at them all.
And they must get fed because they're coming for us.
There you go, Tanya's full of knowledge.
Yeah.
Look at them, they heard us and they're not running away or swimming away, they're swimming towards us. Incredible. Yeah, people must throw a lot of food in. And this is what the bridge looks like. Oops, forgive my poor videoing skills. Coming off a major river. I guess there's some over this side too. There's a decent fish in there. Oh, I'm sure I'd love that. When we turned up, there were quite a few on this lock. So they saw us and in they went. Now they're all hanging around for a feed.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when it's just what I do when
Brewery. The Townsville Brewery, very good. Well done. It used to be the old post office, and now it's the Townsville Brewery. And what have you got? A Pilsner? And I've got a red ale. Apparently I'm going to let it settle first. As you can see, pretty cloudy. Yeah, they had a blood orange champagne lager. That was different, but too different unfortunately. Here we go.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me.
So we're heading down to the SS Adelaide shipwreck, we hope, on Magnetic Island, or Maggie as they call it. Yeah, we'll get back to you if we find it. The hire car, they don't let you drive on gravel or non-tarred roads, so you have to walk the last 2 minutes. This is looking pretty crocky though, really. Nah, oh, Tanya's an expert at crocs now, so we're pretty safe. Hey? Oh, too yuck. Fair enough. Anyway, so where are we, Tan?
Cockle Bay, magnetic style. Gilligan's Island.
Oh, it was Gilligan's, or I was going to say it looks like PG. So much like PG. Crazy. Turns out the SS Adelaide was hiding behind the mangroves as we walked in, and unfortunately it was high tide, so we had to come back later.
Thought you'd be the one for me. Won't you tell me how you feel? I shared my dream with you until the morning. Everybody else have done it right. Coming out to see me try. As I turn away and cry, you run up to me and take my hand. I wish you were the one who made me whole, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say ain't no good to look the other way. Once again I'm on the run, far away from all the fun. It seems I'm bound to be away from you. I never meant to drive you off this way, and I won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say ain't no good to look the other way.
What's this place called? Arthur Bay. That's it. Oh, look, I didn't realise that's there. Koala in the tree. This is part of the Forts Walk.